Hello and welcome. My name is Angie Holden and I'm the blogger behind the Country Chic Cottage. Let's chat about the xTool Apparel Printer Plus. This is brand new. It was just announced. It's an upgraded version of the xTool Apparel Printer. So if you've been around here anytime at all, I reviewed the xTool Apparel Printer right here on this YouTube channel and I've used it several times. So I will link to that video below. So if you want to see like how to set up the printer, what comes in the box, different things like that, it is basically the same as the Plus as far as those things go. So I'm not going to go through all those again, but I will link to that video below. What we're going to cover in this video is what the differences are, and if you already own the xTool Apparel Printer, how to upgrade yours so that it is similar to at least the Plus and you get most of the features that they came out with the Plus. So you can purchase the Plus or you can get the upgrade if you already have the xTool Apparel Printer. So let's chat about it. So first, really quickly, what is this machine? What does it do? So this is a DTF printer. DTF stands for direct to film. So it prints with ink directly on film. And if you have the oven shaker attached to the printer, it will automatically feed through. It will powder as well as cure that powder in an oven. And a completed DTF printer comes out the other side. Now that's what I have and that's what I will be showing in this video. So I have the xTool Apparel Printer Plus now and it is attached to the shaker oven. That's the way I prefer to do it so I don't have to manually powder, cure the powder, or handle the powder at all. It's all in one self-contained unit. So when this machine came out, it was very revolutionary. Now there are other machines on the market that do this, but they are very large. This combination is perfect for a home-based business that wants to print their own DTF prints right at home. If that sounds like you, keep watching because they've made even more improvements to this printer that I am very excited about. So once that DTF print has printed, it works on basically any fabric. So it can work on any fabric, it can work on any color of fabric, and I'm gonna make, spoiler alert, I'm gonna make this shirt in this video today with a DTF print, and you can see in the middle I have a white ghost here, and that white ghost is on a darker color shirt. However, the white is nice and bright and vibrant, so it prints with white, and you can go on any color as well as any fabric. So if the fabric can withstand the heat of pressing the DTF print, you can add a DTF print to it. So now let's talk about what's new with the Plus version of this apparel printer. So first of all, I want to talk about the upgrades because the upgrades address a lot of the pain points that people were having with the xTool Apparel Printer. I'm very encouraged that xTool took the initiative to solve some of these pain points, both with releasing the Plus, so those that purchase new get these upgrades, and then by offering upgrade kits for those that have already purchased the apparel printer. And yes, they are offering free upgrade kits if you check your email. So that allows you to upgrade your existing printer to be similar to the Plus, and I'm going to walk through all of those upgrades and what it means for you if you are going to upgrade your old apparel printer or if you are going to purchase the Plus, so what it means for you in both areas. But I am encouraged that xTool is listening. They're taking this printer category of their business seriously. I love their lasers. They're known for their lasers. They're known for taking those pain points out of laser crafting, and I'm very encouraged to see that they're taking those pain points out of printer crafting as well. So that being said, let's talk about the differences between the Plus and the original printer. So the first pain point was humidity, quite frankly, especially in the United States. So humidity and DTF printing do not mix. So the original xTool Apparel Printer had one humidity sensor. So the Plus, they're adding a second humidity sensor as well as some built-in humidity controls. So there's a built-in humidifier and you keep it filled with water and it will keep your humidity in that optimal range. Between 45 to 65% humidity is optimal for this printer to print. So what does this do? This is going to reduce your print head drying out. It's going to reduce those ink flow interruptions. So you are going to get better prints consistently every single time, which is what we all want. So the Plus is going to come with that box that you're going to install for the humidity control, and it also is going to come with two sensors. If you have the original xTool Apparel Printer, the upgrade kit will allow you to install the box. However, you will have to turn it on and off manually, and you will also only have the one humidity sensor that machine comes with. but the option to add that box will at least give you more control over the humidity. If you want that to come on automatically, you want the additional sensor, you would need to upgrade your printer to the Plus version. So when I got my Plus, I opened it up, I immediately noticed that the dampers were different, the capping station was different. A lot of the internal pieces looked a little bit different than my original printer. So between the upgraded ink dampers and something that they're calling advanced wet capping, your printer is going to be able to keep the printhead moist for like 30 plus days is what they're quoting. This is a huge improvement to me from the original Apparel printer because I was gone for a while with my original Apparel printer and I had to do a whole maintenance procedure to it to take a week's vacation. So this will allow you to leave the printer idle longer, but it's also cutting your moisturizing fluid consumption up to 75% and lowering your ink consumption by approximately 80%. So while it keeps everything moist longer, it's also doing that with less material, which is another pain point I personally had with the original xTool Apparel printer. So I'm very, very excited about this upgrade and really putting that to the test with my printer. So this is really great for those of you that might have a slow season where you're not printing as much, you want to go on vacation, you want to go on an extended vacation. This is going to be very beneficial. Now, if you have that original Apparel printer, you can use the upgrade kit to get the core benefits of this upgrade. So you're going to install the upgraded ink dampers and there's going to be a software update for you. Between those two things, you are going to get the core benefits that those AP Plus users get. But of course, the Plus ships with all of that installed from the factory, whereas if you have the original Apparel printer, you will need to get the upgrade kit and install all of that yourself. All right, so while those are the two big upgrades, I'm going to share one more thing that I am very excited about. And this is an upgrade for all Apparel printer users. So whether you have the original Apparel printer or you have the Apparel Printer Plus, going to get the Plus, this upgrade is that you can now use the xTool Studio app on your phone to print to your printer. You can also do remote status checks, get real-time updates right on your phone. So this update is available to everyone. All I did was update my app and it was there. And I am going to use the app. I'm only going to use my phone in this video to print to my printer and then make this shirt. So I can verify that it did in fact work. And I'm very excited about this update for all of us apparel printer owners. All right, all of that might have been a bit confusing. So let's look on screen summary between the AP Plus and the original Apparel printer. So the AP Plus has a built-in humidifier. The Apparel printer, you can get that with your upgrade kit, and the upgrade kits are available for existing owners. And I'm going to clarify here that you should get an email if you are an original Apparel printer owner that offers that kit. For temperature and humidity sensors, the Apparel Printer Plus has 2. Now the original Apparel printer only has 1, and this does not change with the upgrade kit. So you will only have 1 with the Apparel printer. And then the HydroFlow damper, which is going to help you with those maintenance cycles, comes installed on the Apparel Printer Plus. And for the original Apparel printer, you will need an upgrade kit and you will need to swap those out. And then the auto wet capping, which I'm very excited about, which is going to keep those print heads moist longer, comes standard on the Apparel Printer Plus. And with the original Apparel printer, you can unlock this feature once you get your optional upgrade kit. And then of course, I mentioned that xTool Studio on mobile app. So with both the Apparel Printer Plus and the Apparel printer, you can use your printer on mobile. So I do want to stop here and say that the print quality, the speed, the workflow of the printer is exactly the same as the original. So you are still getting the same quality. You are still getting that same great print speed. You are still able to print those DTF prints right at home and press them right away with this printer. You will just get some additional features if you purchase the Plus, or I encourage you, if you've already purchased the xTool Apparel printer, be sure to get your upgrade kit. So this upgrade is more about stability and maintenance, which personally was a pain point for me, so I know it was probably a pain point for a lot of apparel printer users. So like I said, I'm very encouraged to see that xTool listened to those pain points and release something that not only can I purchase the xTool Apparel Printer Plus at this point with all of those upgraded features, but I can also go back to my original apparel printer and install the upgrade kit to unlock those features. I wanted to put that mobile app to the test. So I went ahead and opened up the mobile app. I did have to update it in order to get these features. And then I just connected my printer via Bluetooth to my phone. What I'm doing here is just importing the artwork into xTool Studio. So I went ahead and imported that right from my phone. You could also take a photo with your phone and print that on your printer. seriously, the options are unlimited. You can print whatever you would like on your printer. Then right there in the app, I can go ahead and resize it. I could add text. I could go ahead and design right in the app if I needed to. Once everything looks just how I want it, I can go ahead and send that directly to the printer from my phone. No computer needed. Once I sent that to my printer, the printer started and it's printing the ink directly on the film. Now this will automatically print mirrored. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to tell it anything additionally. It's gonna go ahead and mirror your print and lay that white ink down on the back. Now I have the shaker and the oven attached to this, so after it prints, it's going to go directly into the shaker and apply the powder automatically. As it applies this powder, it's going to shake off any excess. And then it's going to go directly from that powder station into the curing oven and is going to cure that powder. Once the print is done, it's going to come out the bottom. The ink and the powder are going to be fully cured, and this one is going to be ready to press. All that's left for me to do is to head to my Wonder Press and go ahead and press this. I'm pressing this at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds. I preheated my shirt, then added the DTF print into place, covered that with some protective paper, and pressed. Then once that was done, I used a DTF cooling block to cool it off just a little bit, peeled back that top sheet, covered it with protective paper once again, and did a second press. This is for durability, so I always do a second press on my DTF prints. Once that second press is done, I can remove the paper and my shirt is done. So now, like I said, I have an adorable shirt and my white ghost looks amazing on my darker color shirt. All of the colors really pop off of here. It's bright, it's vibrant. I made it in minutes. It's a full color print. It looks gorgeous on this shirt. Let's kind of do a summary here, talk about buying options, and if you already own the printer, what you need to do. So buying options. If you are ready to invest in a DTF printer, or think you are, for your small business, if you're printing enough, you're tired of ordering DTF prints, you're like, I am using so many DTF prints, I need a printer at home, give the xTool Apparel Printer Plus a try. So I highly recommend the xTool Apparel Printer Plus connected to the shaker and the oven. So I do recommend the combo of those two to keep everything enclosed, the powders enclosed, and then you can connect that entire ecosystem to their air filter, and that way everything is completely safe for you to do at home. Then if you already have that xTool Apparel printer, again, I highly encourage you to get the upgrade kit. So you should be getting an email that offers the upgrade kit. It will give you a coupon code and you will get that upgrade kit for free. So that is both that internal humidity module as well as the white ink dampers that will allow you to upgrade that as well. And then don't forget to upgrade your xTool Studio mobile app so you can start printing from your mobile phone. And yes, I'm still excited about that feature. Now, if you have the original xTool Apparel printer and you're like, I would just like to purchase the Plus, I don't want to do the upgrade kit, I did see where they were offering a coupon code for existing owners. So you might check on that as well if you're going to order the xTool Apparel Printer Plus instead of updating your existing printer. And if you can find none of that, I would contact xTool support directly and ask about your options for your printer. All right, so my final verdict. So first of all, it is the same workflow that I experienced with my original xTool Apparel printer. Everything was the same as far as the workflow goes and the printing process. The setup also was basically identical to my original xTool Apparel printer. The only difference was on this one, I installed the humidity module. Now, the documentation that came with this printer walked me through those steps and it's very easy to install, and then you just keep water in that at all times. And I was kind of surprised you just keep regular tap water in it, so you don't even have to have any special water on hand for that humidity module. So I am very excited about the changes to this printer just for the experience portion as far as easier maintenance and better reliability for my printer. Those two things alone were the biggest pain points that I experienced, and I am very hopeful that this Plus version of the Apparel printer will fix those issues. So now I will link to everything in the description below this video. So I'll link to the xTool Apparel Printer Plus, and if you will notice on that page, there is an upgrade kit option. Now, like I said, definitely check your email, contact support if you need to, but you should have a coupon code for a free one if you already own the xTool Apparel printer. So I would be sure to do that before you actually purchase the upgrade kit, but I did see that option already on their website. So I hope this video helped explain to you the features, the benefits, the improvements of the xTool Apparel Printer Plus and how it differs from that original, and how even if you have the original, you can take advantage of these great upgrades. So now, if you have any questions about anything I covered, drop it down in the comment section, ask away. If you like this video helped you, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, head on over to my YouTube channel and hit that subscribe button. I have great videos all the time, including videos using the xTool apparel printer. So if you want to see more apparel and more out of this printer, because it doesn't only go on apparel, any fabric surface. So if you want to see more DTF content, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And stay tuned right here for another creative, crafty video. Thanks, y'all. Bye-bye.